Hi guys, thanks for joining us again here. Today we're going to show you how we use our Macks products here. Macks makes a lot of great component packs. So you can buy the hoochies, the beads, smiley blades, you can tie your own gear. I've got in the background here, I've got some Lindy rigs. These are called Lindy rigs. I usually fill these up with all my pre-tied leaders. I'll show you a video there on how I pre-tie all my double snelled hooks for my lures. We use these Lindy rigs. We pre-tie up the hooks, not the lures, before we go fishing. Then when we're on the lake, we have a lure building kit that we use, and we tie up anything that we need to tie. So today we will be showing you orange hoochies with smiley blades. Stay tuned. We will be showing you how to use the Macks wiggle bills. They have a component pack for those as well, and we'll show you how we make their wiggle bill hoochies as well. You can buy them pre-tied as a lure from Macks, or you can buy the component packs. Have fun making your own. We've also got these Gamakatsu size 1 octopus hooks. I like to use these when I tie my hooks. I use them for everything: kokanee, rainbow, steelhead, salmon, everything. And so this is what the smiley blades look like. They come in a nice package like that. You just use one. Here's the glow beads. Come in UV glow beads. And here are these are the smaller version of the hoochies. You can buy larger versions as well, but I like the small ones with the Macks. They work pretty good. So we'll show you how we tie them up. So we've gone and opened up our component packs, our Macks component packs. We've got a hoochie, we've got a smiley blade, we've got some beads. We're going to show you how we tied up our orange hoochies here last summer. Did really well on kokanee, thanks to Macks Lures. They've produced some good stuff. So really simple here. We've showed you how to make pink hoochies in the past. It's very similar. You just grab your hoochie, your smiley blade, and a couple beads. Figure out how many beads you need to put on. I've got some beads on the side here. These are about 5 mil beads on the side. I like to use the 5 mil. I've got some 6 and some 4s. It truly doesn't matter, whatever works for you, as long as this hoochie doesn't come off. So I'm going to put about 4 beads on here. I'm going to slide them down to these hooks. We'll show you how we tie up our hooks here in another video. I got 4 beads on right now. I'm going to slide these all down here, and this hoochie, we're going to measure it up. So we're going to make sure this hoochie, when we put it on here, make sure this eye of this trailer hook just touches the tail end of the hoochie. I'm going to put a piece of corn on here, and the kokanee that we're fishing with this will short strike and hit the corn and not the hoochie generally, and we'll have a kokanee on the line. So we're all lined up here. We're gonna get our hoochie ready. I usually twirl the end of the hoochie while I grab the tag end of the line. That opens up these tentacles a bit and allows me to get the leader line through it quite easy. I'm gonna put the leader line through. We're gonna slide this hoochie all the way down to the bottom. And now we gotta get these beads up inside this hoochie. Try not to push any tentacles up into the hoochie. We'll quickly slide her on here. Sometimes it won't go, sometimes it will. Careful you don't hook yourself. Probably even use smaller beads for this one, but this is what we've been using. This is actually what we caught a lot of kokanee on in Hathaway Lake last summer. We were using purples and oranges. The oranges were working well. So now that we've got our hoochie on, we're going to grab another bead, put that bead on, and we're going to grab our smiley blade here, put the smiley blade on, and that's all it is. You got your hooks, your beads, a hoochie, 1 bead, and a smiley blade. So that is your hoochie. You'll put that behind a Dodger, that'll kick around all over the place, and that will just drive those kokanee crazy. So try this out, pick up some Macks component packs, build your own hoochies, your spinner hoochies. You can build wiggle bill hoochies. We will show you in another video how to build a wiggle bill hoochie with Macks gear. And please subscribe if you haven't already to our channel, and give us a like, a thumbs up, share this video, tell all your friends, and hopefully you can catch some kokanee this coming summer.